It's a little more windy than we had anticipated, so possibly less protection than we were hoping.
All right, we've pulled all the way up to the anchorage.
Yeah.
And it's just funneling wind. Do a little more fishing and probably some downwind sailing.
We're gonna try it.
She said, this from here to here is how long.
This water is so clear here.
Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by.
Benchick is beautiful. So we stayed up here for a couple of nights. We actually met up with some friends, which was lots of fun, and had a few drinks with them and some nice, lovely snacks. And so now we're actually going to head back to Orhenia, probably get a few provisions and also get some water because it will be about that time. So we're also hoping to check out a few other bays up in this same area. It's very beautiful, and they're ones that we haven't stopped in yet. So we've got about 10 days left in the country, so we're going to hit as many as we can before we head out. Beautiful area. Well, as always, Orhenia never disappoints. It is hands down one of the calmest anchorages we've been in. It is always flat water for us in here. It feels like we're sleeping on land. It's so crazy. So now it's time to go back across the bay and check out a new site we haven't been to yet. Let's go see how it is. We're leaving Orhenia, and we really love this area. It's, I don't know, it's really beautiful. It's a little less busier than the southern part of Turkey, the southern coastline. So we have about a week left. Unfortunately, that's all in Turkey. So we're gonna try and make the best of it in this area. So there's several bays we haven't checked out yet. From Orhenia, we're going directly across the bay. It's gonna take us about 40 minutes to get there. We're just gonna motor because it literally is straight across the bay. And we're hoping that it's going to have a little bit more of a sandy beach to where we might be able to play some beach paddleball, and also clearer waters. Orhenia isn't very clear water because a lot of silt is coming out of the river. So it makes snorkeling a little less appealing. And so we're gonna go across. We're hoping it has clear water, so we'll maybe be able to get some snorkeling in, and definitely some walks along the beach. So let's go check it out. So we're coming up into this new bay, and as you can see, I have a lot of flyaways. It's a little more windy than we had anticipated, so possibly less protection than we were hoping. So if anything, we're gonna check it out. If it's still windy, we know we have a really good holding and anchorage that has good protection from the wind, calm nights. So we may even just hop back over to Orhenia if we don't like this one. So we'll see how it goes. Nice thing is that if we do turn around, we'll be downwind sailing back. So you know, it's all good.
Let's definitely drop now.
Yeah, the wind did drop out a bit, huh? It's pretty up in here.
Yeah, it is. So let's go ahead and anchor. It's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to anchor?
Yeah.
We're gonna try it. Worst case scenario, gets windy, we just head across, no big deal. So in Marmaris, we actually got some elastic and little clips. Let me show you, hang on. These little clips and some elastic. So this actually allows us to, so like this fender right here. It allows me to clip my fenders up. Right now, I only have that on a few of my fenders, but not all of them. And it makes it really nice to be able to take them off the deck and free up the space for us to walk through. So that's what we're working on now, is getting the rest of them all set up. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. So it's simple and easy. We just tie a little knot in through the hole, tie a knot, and then we'll measure it out. Yeah.
Under her nose like this.
And then we'll...
Troop. Like this. Right. And just start tightening it up. Pulling from this back end. And you give yourself a little tail, but you don't want too much of a tail. So then, now this is just with elastic cord, you can do this, just to leave a little small tail. Tighten it down, right? And then a little tug from that end, so you just have a little tail. Tighten it down. And then, it's nice and cinched. You get the length you want. Then you have a nice small little tail. A nice tight knot because it's bungee, and it won't ever come undone. And then Shelly used her own hand to show me, let me see your hand. She said, this from here to here is how long the cord needs to be.
It's perfect.
So I said, okay. So on my hand, that's not quite that far, or like this far. So what I do is, that's how long she wants the cord, but I need to put a knot on it. So I add my middle finger, which adds about 1 inch for that little extra knot. So then I take that measurement, put it on here, put it to here, and as you can see, it's about 1 inch longer. That'll allow me
Smells like burning hair.
Should. Remember, kids, it's hot on the bottom. Okay, so now once that's all melted and nice and ended so that it won't fray on us, put it back through like we've seen. Work that through the end. You should press it through. Get that about there. Come through. Tie your little half hitch in there. Like this. And again, we don't want a lot of tail. So we just tighten it, hold it at the base as you pull on the bungee cord, and that'll cinch down the knot onto your little tip. And that should be just If it's not, you just give it a little tug, tuck it in there, tug some more. And now that, you got your little tail right there. This is cinched down nice, won't come undone. And if Shelly uses her hand to show the length,
it's perfect. See, look at that. Perfect. Yay.
so that's how you measure stuff on a boat. No tape measures.
No.
You know, just rudimentary stuff about this long.
Yeah.
And if you need a little extra longer, you just added a second finger.
Perfect.
Yep.
Let's go tie it on. So we're gonna go from this to this. Such an awesome clean deck. It's awesome. Well, this is a beautiful bay that we stayed in last night. We didn't get any snorkeling done. The water wasn't as clear as we were hoping over here. But we did get some boat projects done. So, you know, when you can't do one thing, you still got plenty of other things to do. Anyway, we're actually headed down to meet some friends this afternoon. So, should be a good time. We're gonna go have a barbecue on their boat. Let's go. So it's really interesting to know the geography of the land a little bit. So we're gonna be checking out of Dacha, which is right over there. And checking into Symi, Greece. This is in a week or so. And Symi, Greece is right there. So Dacha, Symi. Dacha. We're gonna go check out the town. So we are in another campground, Anchorage, I guess is the best way to say it. And it looks like a pretty nice little place. They have a volleyball court, maybe a restaurant that we might be going to check out with some friends tonight. And it was a nice calm night. Gotta love it. This water is so clear here. Oh, it's paddleball time. Yeah. Pong pong over there.
Pong pong?
Yeah, they got ping pong right up over there.
Oh, you didn't bring your ping pong stuff.
I know, I'm bummed. I totally won this one.
Yeah, you did.
Nope, schooled again. Good times. Once we were finished with paddleball, we decided to take a walk and check out the beach on the other side of the anchorage.
Sitting and swinging.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Can't beat it. Peace. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.